If you want to get your new channel monetized in just a few weeks or even days, the best and easiest category is the cartoon category. Because if kids like your video in the first 10 seconds, they usually watch it till the end. So today, I'm going to tell you about an AI tool that lets you generate 20 videos every day for free, using just one account. And let me make it very clear, this is not a sponsored video. I personally really like this tool, which is why I'm sharing it with you. If you create at least 5 accounts on it, you can generate 100 videos in a single day. And honestly, I don't think you'll stop at just 5 accounts. You can make even more. If you have 4 or 5 phones, you can calculate for yourself how many videos you can make in a day. Along with that, I'll also tell you about a free and unlimited photo enhancer, and I'll show you how you can keep your characters consistent throughout your story. For that, you can watch this video of mine.
Wait, what was that? Someone's out there. Hey, don't worry! I'll get you out of there! Hold on, I'm almost done.
In that video, you'll notice that every scene has the same character. The same clothes, the same hair, the same face, the same body, everything exactly the same. So how I did all that, I'll explain in this video. When it comes to making cartoon videos, the most important thing is the story. To write the story, we'll first go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Take a screenshot of all the prompts shown in this video because they are very important. I asked ChatGPT to write me a story about friendship between jungle animals and a human, and it gave me a wonderful story. Now there's a character in it who is 25 years old. So we'll open a new tab in ChatGPT and describe exactly what kind of character we want. Then ChatGPT will generate a prompt for creating our character. Now if we want, we can also generate images directly using ChatGPT, or we can use any other AI to create images. You can choose any AI you like. I personally select Meta AI. There, I click on the plus icon, then click on Create, and after pasting my prompt here, I click again, and the image generation begins. Meta AI generates 4 images at a time, and you can create videos for as long as you want, without any limitations. There's no restriction here. You can make as many videos in a day as you like. However, this tool doesn't generate voice along with the video. If you want to use this tool, you can watch this video of mine, where I've explained everything in detail. But first, watch this current video carefully. So whichever character we like, we'll press and hold on it, click on the download option and download it. Now we'll open Google Gemini, click on the plus icon there, upload the photo of our character, paste this prompt and press enter. Google Gemini will carefully analyze and understand our character. Then we'll go to ChatGPT, open the same tab where we had written our story, and now we'll write that we need to generate images for every scene of this story. So please create prompts for each scene. Then ChatGPT will start writing the prompts. ChatGPT has now given us 7 prompts, but if you feel that 7 prompts are enough, that's fine, because sometimes ChatGPT provides fewer prompts and our story might be longer. So you can also tell ChatGPT how many prompts you need. For example, I write that I need 9 prompts to generate images, and now it has written 9 image prompts for my story. Next, we'll copy one of those prompts, go to Gemini, paste it, and press enter. After a few moments, it generates an image for us. And as you can see, the character in the image matches exactly with the one we had. You could say it's the same character appearing here as well. In the same way, we'll copy our second prompt, paste it here, and press enter, and it will generate our second image, again with the same character. Similarly, we'll generate our third image, and just like that, I'll quickly generate all the images. Now, after all the images have been generated, if you feel that the quality of any of your images isn't good enough, here's how you can enhance and improve it. First, we'll download Octohide VPN from the Play Store, connect it to the USA, then open the Chrome browser and search for Kriya.ai. Click on the first website that appears. Here, you'll first need to create an account, which is very easy to do, so go ahead and set that up. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll see the Enhancer option. Click on it. Next, upload the photo whose quality you want to enhance. Once uploaded, you'll see an Enhance button below. Click on it, and your photo enhancement process will begin. After a few moments, the download option will appear, so click on Download to save it. Now you can compare your original photo and the enhanced one. You'll notice a big improvement in quality. Now it's time to convert all these photos into a video. For that, we'll first go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, where I've written that I need 9 video prompts. As soon as we press enter, it will give us the video prompts. Then we'll copy the first prompt and download Grok AI from the Play Store. After downloading it, create an account, and once you're logged in, click on Create Video. Here, you'll need to select the image you generated first. As soon as you select the image, you'll see that the video creation process has started. So quickly paste your prompt here and click again to confirm. Now the video will begin generating according to your prompt. If you look closely at the prompts, you'll see that I've added short dialogues in them so that the video video includes sound effects and voices as well. You can add similar dialogues too, but make sure to include "he says" in the ChatGPT prompt. Otherwise, the character won't properly deliver the dialogue lines. After a short while, our video will be generated and ready. You can click here to download it. You may notice that the original image had a small watermark, but after creating the video, that watermark completely disappeared, like magic. In the same way, there won't be any watermark visible in any of your videos. It only appears on the images. So I'll quickly generate the second video now, just like I did with the first one, and you should create all your videos in exactly the same way. Alright, so now it's time to combine all these video clips together. You can do this using any video editing app, but I'll be using CapCut. After adding all the clips, I'll include some amazing background music and adjust everything properly before exporting it. If you want to learn about more AI tools that are free and unlimited and can be extremely useful for you, then you can check out this video of mine where I've talked about 5 such tools in detail.